Take it back into the, well, go ahead. Do it. Move Jack, please.
I wanted to get me.
Jack. You know what? I'm doing a video. Okay?
No, do video of me in the car. No.
I don't have you. Go, please. Alright. Let's see him drive. Drive him onto the kitchen floor, okay? The carpet here is pretty thin. Can you go faster? There's the turbo boost, but you don't want to crash him, so.
It only goes front ways, I think.
Alright, now take him into the kitchen.
I wanted us to have him for me.
Just wait, honey. He drives better on the kitchen floor. There. What?
I tried to get in that one corner.
Okay. Oops. Now if we just had more linoleum like that, either that or you probably need to play with him outside for him to work right. What are you trying to do? Oh, okay. Alright, now we'll bring him out so we can...
Backwards. Yeah.
Okay, Jack. Alright.